Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find Calvin Klein filter like this on Instagram. So this is the filter. To get this filter you can visit my highlight and you will find Calvin Klein. Tap on it. Now in this preview on the top of the screen the creator name and the filter name is there. Tap there and you will see this pop-up. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. And you can visit to the creator profile. So let's go to the creator profile, check in our filter gallery, and this is the filter Calvin Klein. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So right now I have only one filter of Calvin Klein on my highlight. If I find more I'll be keeping in my highlight. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.